Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on a laptop that it doesn't turn on. In this laptop here, we press the power on button, but it doesn't turn on. So basically, what I advise is disconnect the power supply from the laptop and for 20 seconds press and hold this button in order to discharge the power from the laptop. So we're gonna do this for 20 seconds and see if the laptop powers on. So basically the problem doesn't boot, and we want to open this to disconnect the battery in order to make it disboot. So you're gonna need a T5 screwdriver and you need to unlock this. So we're gonna go with this T5. This is the correct way of opening it. We continue with the battery replacement. Just to remind you, this laptop cannot operate without battery because it behaves like a tablet. The usual symptom that indicates that you need a battery replacement would be that the laptop starts and after suddenly shuts down and it doesn't start again until the BIOS observe a change in the battery system or a new battery. And that will happen only when you replace the battery. So we make sure that the battery fits perfectly. So we have to do this. First, of course, before you change the battery, I will advise you to remove this cable carefully. It's the speaker cable. We want to remove it. It was not supposed to be there. No, it's supposed to be here, but when you replace the battery, it should go away. Yes. That's all. And just remove the screws here. And usually the screwdriver that comes with doesn't work. So closer, remove this. Remove the battery. Oh my God, it's completely. It's recycled. And replace it in your battery. So first, I will plug it inside before. Seems okay. And screw the drivers back. Of course, we have to check if the laptop operates. If it doesn't operate, we have to check some other stuff. So we close the laptop and we check if it is working. Okay, it's working. I'm sure the customer will be happy. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Let me know in your comments.